Hi, welcome once again, this George Boateng. Thank you for watching my previous videos from Quahog, Ghana, Barcelona, Spain, Paris, France and Verona, Italy. In this video will be driving through some beautiful streets and places in London and also some beautiful country roads and motorways in England. London is a beautiful city and most diverse city in the whole world. It's a city that you could find visitors from every country on this planet. The diversity and beauty of this city has made it so encouraging for a lot of people around the world to come here, which it has made it easier for employers to hire professionals from all over the world. It has accommodated the most highly skilled workers in every industry on this planet. It's a city that never sleeps. You will never be bored unless you don't have time and money. There are hundreds of theaters, restaurants, museums and open-air concert centers and a lot of attractions. It has all the famous hotels, bars and gentlemen nightclubs you will find in any big city. This Shaftesbury Avenue, and is one of the famous road in the West End of London. It runs northeast from Piccadilly Circus to New Oxford Street, crossing over Charing Cross Road. It was named after the 7th Earl of Shaftesbury. This road is in the center of Soho, which is normally crowded during the weekends. It's a center of attraction with all the famous bars, restaurants, nightclubs, casinos. It is on the north side of Chinatown. The avenue is generally considered the heart of London's West End theatre district, with the Lyric, Apollo, Gielgud and Sondheim theatres clustered together on the west side of the road between Piccadilly Circus and Charing Cross Road. London Bridge was once the only river crossing in London in the Roman times. It has been rebuilt and changed so many times since then. It's one of the busiest bridges in London. Normal cars are not allowed on the crossing before 7 p.m. Monday to Friday except buses. The bridge is open to all cars at the weekends. This bridge was reconstructed by contractors John Mallum & Co. from 1967 to 1972, and opened by Queen Elizabeth II on March 16, 1973.
The City of London was once the biggest financial centre in England in the 80s before Canary Wharf was built. The city used to have all the famous names in the finance industry: Midland Bank, Coutts Bank, Mellon Bank, and all the stock exchange companies. City of London also has most of the underground stations like Bank, Cannon Street, Monument, Cheapside, and Mansion House Station. London's primary financial district is actually a city in itself known as the City of London. It was established a few years after the Roman invasion in AD 50 on the north bank of the River Thames. Today it's still classified as one of the busiest financial areas in London.
Boxpark Shoreditch has all the modern street restaurants, pop-up shops and community of independent brands specializing in fashion, arts, food and drink. It's quite busy during the weekend where most of the young men and women come to enjoy the weekend. This is Victoria Embankment and is part of the Thames Embankment. It's one of the busy roads along the north bank of the river. Thousands of people commute on the Millennium Bridge between the Strand and south of the river along this embankment every day. Thames Street is divided into Lower and Upper Thames Street. It runs parallel with River Thames. It forms part of the busy A3211 route which stretches along the River Thames from Westminster to Tower Hill. The Limehouse Link Tunnel is a 1.1-mile long tunnel under Limehouse in East London on the A1203 road. The tunnel links the eastern end of the highway to Canary Wharf in the Docklands. The speed limit on this tunnel is 30 miles per hour. This tunnel was built between 1989 and 1993. The Blackwall Tunnel is a road tunnel that travel underneath the River Thames in East London. This tunnels connect the London borough of Tower Hamlets and the southeast of London. This tunnel was officially opened by the then Prince of Wales on May 22, 1897 to improve trade and commerce in and around London's East End and the nearby Docklands. The original tunnel was designed by Sir Alexander Binney and built by S. Pearson & Sons between 1892 and 1897. Epping Forest is one of the most beautiful country road I have driven on in Essex. This reminds me of a TB Tincoco road in Ghana. This road will lead you to Stapleford, Ongar, Abridge, Thaden Bois, Thaden Garnon, Loughton, Havering at Bower Buckhastill, Chigwell and Romford, all in Essex, England. On the north side of this road is M25 and M11 to Stansted Airport. During winter and heavy snow it's quite difficult to drive on this beautiful country road. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, it's free. Thank you for watching.